kitchen conquerors, ever been stuck between a dull knife and a hard squash? Fret not. Today, we're carving up the competition to serve you the creme de la creme of kitchen knives. By the end of this guide, you'll slice, dice, and julienne like a Michelin star chef. No sponsors have buttered us up for this. It's all our own gourmet research. Hungry for more? Feast your eyes on the links below for extra seasoning. And before we get into the meat of the matter, do us a solid. Hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a slice of our kitchen wisdom. Ring the bell for notifications and keep your culinary game razor sharp.
First up, the Babish high-carbon 1.4000 116 German steel cutlery is our pick for turning ordinary cooking into an extraordinary galley journey. Crafted from high-carbon steel, this culinary workhorse is precision-forged from a single piece of German steel, meticulously tempered and hand-ground to perfection, ensuring unparalleled sharpness. Its full-tank handle boasts an ergonomically designed grip, striking the ideal balance between comfort and control, making it your go-to tool for heavy chopping and delicate slicing alike. While this knife is a powerhouse, proper care is essential. Avoid dishwashers, which can damage the blade and prevent food residue from staining. Any persistent stains can be effortlessly removed with standard stainless steel cleanser, polish. To maintain its razor-sharp edge, use a sharpener and honing rod regularly, and consider professional sharpening annually. Babish high-carbon 1.4000 116 German steel cutlery 8 chef knife is your trusty kitchen companion.
Next up, the linoroso paring knife is our pick for those who appreciate culinary artistry and seek to elevate their cooking experience to new heights. With its 4,116 German steel precision, it boasts a Rockwell hardness rating of 56 for resistance to rust, corrosion, and discoloration, while simplifying cleaning and maintenance. Its compact 3.5-inch size caters to intricate tasks, and the full-tank ergonomic design, complemented by the forged bolster, ensures a harmonious balance between the blade and the stainless steel handle, enhancing control and facilitating delicate and precise cuts. Presented in an elegant gift box, it combines functionality with artistry, being dishwasher safe. It simplifies post-cooking cleanup. With its precision and sophistication, the linoroso paring knife is becoming a must-have culinary equipment for anybody searching to cook at home or work as a professional chef.
Next up, the MOSFiATA 8-inch Chef Knife is our pick for anybody who values cooking and precision. Crafted from high-quality German stainless steel, it resists rust and corrosion. Its 2.5 mm razor-sharp blade with a non-stick coating effortlessly handles kitchen tasks. Inside the gift box, you'll find a chef knife, finger protector, blade guard, and knife sharpener addressing all your kitchen needs. The sturdy tubular-coated polypropylene handle boasts textured finger points for grip, gently widening toward the blade for safety. The ultra-sharp curved edge excels at slicing, mincing, and dicing fruits, vegetables, and meats. It's dishwasher safe, preventing rust and stains. The German steel 4116 construction ensures longevity, while the MOSFiATA handle offers a non-slip, comfortable grip. The included knife sharpener keeps your blade consistently sharp, making the MOSFiATA Chef Knife your trusty culinary companion. Improve your meal preparations with this top-quality kitchen tool.
Next up, the Victorinox Chef's Knife is our pick for anyone seeking a versatile and durable kitchen tool. With its extra-wide blade, this knife offers a multitude of advantages that elevate your culinary experience. Boasting an ergonomic handle, it ensures a secure, slip-resistant grip, enabling safe and precise food preparation. This optimal weight and balance reduce fatigue during extended use, granting you complete control over delicate fruits and hefty cuts of meat alike. Its long-lasting razor-sharp edge ensures effortless and efficient slicing of cooked or grilled meats and handling larger food items with ease due to its infrequent need for sharpening. The high-carbon stainless steel blade delivers exceptional edge retention, prolonging its lifespan. Maintenance is a breeze as it's dishwasher safe. Its premium materials ensure lasting sharpness, reducing the need for frequent sharpening. Experience the effortless efficiency it brings to your culinary adventures.
Last but not least, the Imarku Japanese Chef Knife is our top pick for both professional chefs and home cooks seeking a versatile and reliable kitchen tool. This 8-inch chef's knife is made of high-carbon stainless steel and is expertly crafted to handle a variety of culinary chores. Its 2.3 mm plain edge blade, which is 0.6, 0.75 carbon enriched, is robust and long-lasting. The inclusion of 1618 chrome material in the steel blade ensures rust resistance. The standout feature is the packer handle, blending comfort and functionality seamlessly. Its ergonomic shape reduces strain and improves control with a firm grip. Japanese engineering meets premium materials, resulting in a knife that handles tough kitchen tasks effortlessly and maintains sharpness over time. The balanced weight and size prevent discomfort during prolonged use, and the chrome finish adds a touch of class. Cleaning is easy, a simple wash with mild soap is all it needs.